Meanwhile, a team from the Child Protection and Family Service Agency, CPFSA, has been deployed to Clarendon to provide support in the wake of the killings this morning. And as you'll hear in this report from Cody and Barrett, there are renewed calls for more to be done to protect children.
When the news that 4 children were murdered with their mother in Clarendon this morning reached the office of Diane Gordon Harrison and Rosalie Gage Gray, this was their initial reaction.
Horrified, saddened, angry, and just numb really because of the wave of crime that seems to be rocking us as a nation and not sparing innocent bloodshed.
We are quite appalled and alarmed at how such a vicious killing of our children. We continue to bemoan the fact that our children are not protected in the environment.
Mrs. Gage Gray is appealing for greater protection of the nation's children.
This is not how we treat our children. We really have to redouble our efforts to ensure the safety and protection of our children. We cannot continue to murder our children. This is enough. We have to make some drastic moves to protect our children.
And Mrs. Gordon Harrison is reminding the public that there is a proper legal framework in place to punish people who hurt children, but it only works when information is given to authorities to put forward a strong case.
We're talking about 5 murders here. And already our Offences Against the Person Act, even though we don't use the term capital punishment, our Offences Against the Person Act certainly says that if in one situation, one sequence of events, you have more than one person being murdered, then the prosecution, once there's evidence to substantiate that, can in fact ask for the most extreme penalty, meaning the penalty of death.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.